The PUCKIPUPPY Boxer Electric Bike for adults stands out in the crowded e-bike market with its powerful performance, robust design, and impressive battery life. Designed for both commuters and recreational riders, this bike combines the convenience of electric assistance with the versatility of a traditional bicycle, making it an excellent choice for various riding scenarios. One of the most notable features of the Boxer is its 960W motor, which provides a punchy and responsive ride. With this level of power, the bike can easily tackle steep hills and rough terrain, making it suitable for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Riders can expect smooth acceleration and a top speed that can reach up to 28 miles per hour, allowing for quick getaways when needed. The motor is remarkably quiet compared to many other e-bikes, which enhances the overall riding experience, especially in quieter neighborhoods or nature trails. The heart of the Boxer is its 48V 20AH battery, which delivers an impressive range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on the terrain and rider weight. This makes it an ideal choice for long commutes or leisurely weekend rides without the anxiety of running out of power. The battery is removable, allowing for convenient charging at home or in the office, and its robust design ensures durability against the elements. Charging time is relatively quick, requiring around 6 to 8 hours from empty to full, which is standard for this category of electric bikes. The bike is equipped with a full suspension system, providing excellent shock absorption and comfort on rough surfaces. This enhances the riding experience significantly, especially for those who plan to use the bike on bumpy trails or uneven city streets. The front and rear suspension work in tandem, ensuring that riders can navigate obstacles confidently without compromising comfort. Coupled with the 26-inch wheels, the Boxer delivers a stable and smooth ride, further enhanced by the wide tires that offer good traction and grip. Braking performance is another critical aspect of any bicycle, and the PUCKIPUPPY Boxer does not disappoint. It features hydraulic disc brakes, which provide consistent stopping power even in wet conditions. The brakes are responsive and offer good modulation, giving riders confidence to control their speed effectively, especially important during downhill rides or sudden stops. The design of the Boxer is both functional and stylish. With a sleek frame and a modern aesthetic, it's a bike that looks as good as it performs. The bike comes in several color options, allowing riders to choose one that suits their personal style. Additionally, it has practical features such as integrated front and rear LED lights for visibility during low-light conditions, a rear rack for carrying cargo, and a comfortable saddle designed for longer rides. The bike's adjustable seat height accommodates riders of different heights, making it versatile for various users. The user interface is straightforward and intuitive, featuring an easy-to-read LCD display that shows essential information such as speed, battery level, distance traveled, and riding mode. The electric assist can be adjusted through different modes, allowing riders to choose how much power they want depending on the situation, whether they need a little boost on a flat road or full assistance on a steep incline. While the PUCKIPUPPY Boxer Electric Bike excels in many areas, it is not without its minor drawbacks. The weight of the bike is on the heavier side, which can be a consideration if you need to lift it frequently, such as storing it in an apartment or moving it upstairs. However, the weight is a trade-off for the durability and stability it offers. Additionally, while assembly is relatively straightforward, some users may prefer a more detailed instruction manual, especially if they are not experienced with bike assembly. In summary, the PUCKIPUPPY Boxer Electric Bike for adults is an impressive offering in the electric bike market. Its combination of a powerful motor, long-lasting battery, comfortable suspension, and stylish design makes it a fantastic choice for those seeking an efficient and enjoyable ride. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or just exploring the great outdoors, this bike provides a reliable and fun,